Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest iPhone tips and tricks for 2025. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward but incredibly useful: how to view your phone number on your iPhone. Whether you're setting up a new device, troubleshooting an issue, or just forgot your own number, don't worry, we've got you covered. This process is quick and easy, thanks to Apple's intuitive interface. First things first, let's jump right in. Unlock your iPhone and head to the home screen. Look for the Settings app. It's that gray gear icon. Tap on it to open. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit until you see Phone. Go ahead and tap that. On the phone settings page, your phone number should be right there at the top, usually labeled as My Number or something similar. It's that simple. If you're on the latest iOS update for 2025, this might even show additional details like your carrier information. But wait, what if you can't find it there? Don't panic. There's another way. Open the Contacts app, which is the little address book icon. Tap on My Card, or your own contact entry if it's set up. Your phone number should be listed there. Pro tip: if you've got multiple SIM cards or an eSIM, make sure you're checking the right one in Settings under Cellular or Mobile Data. And just like that, you've got your number. This method works on all recent iPhone models, from the iPhone 15 series up to the latest releases in 2025. Remember, keeping track of your details can save you time and hassle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.